in this lesson, we're going to go through how to add the game information and how to have the game information show up automatically within your game. So one of the main areas in GameMaker is game information. Brings up a screen that looks a little like a word processor where we can put all the game information in. In this case, I'm just going to show you how to set it up, and then you're going to add your content. But we know that for our game, we're going to have a number of categories like storyline. Okay, I might want to make each heading bold, underlined, maybe make the headings a different size, maybe the color. You know, you'll just decide about that. Okay, real simple. Whoops, I did not want that. Text color, let's say. Background color, how about something in a light gray? Okay, so there we go. There's our storyline section. I would put all the storyline information here. We also have a section for characters in your game, a section for, let's say, items, a section for levels, a section for scoring, a section perhaps for winning, losing scenario, although if you want that could go in the scoring. And finally a section for game controls. Okay, so this is all going to become your game information. You're going to put all your elaborate information under each category, and we're going to hit OK. Now, so far that game information by default, if the player hits F1 on the keyboard, it will bring that up. But generally, at the beginning of the game, you want it to come up automatically. So I'm going to pretend that we have an object in our game. It will be, well, we'll need that as well, but let's just, this blue ball, I think, would be a very good object in our game. So we're starting with the sprite ball. Okay, then I'm going to make that an object, obj ball. Then, of course, I do need, I need to associate it with the sprite. I do need a room called room level 1. And let's, at the very least, put the character in the room. Okay? And I did that so that I have something to associate when this game information will come up. So for object ball, I'm going to have a new event for basically when the game starts. And when the game starts, I want to automatically show the info. It's under main 2. Okay? So I'll click on that, hit OK, check. Now I'm going to play my game. And right when it plays, the game information window should come up. In this case, you would have your title above it, of course, too. I can close this when I'm ready, and it would go to my wonderful game with my ball in the middle of it. And then, of course, if I hit F1 again, it automatically brings up the game information. Okay? That's all there is to it. So today, you're going to be adding that into your game.